Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So today we're going to do a dance tutorial of how to do the Party Girl TikTok dance. There were so many different versions out there, so I had to choose one. So it's going to be the Addison Rae version. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Sierra, for being the first ones who requested. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. This dance is short and simple. It's an easy TikTok dance, so I'm not gonna break it up into parts, but I am gonna do like a breakdown, a recap, and then we're gonna practice. Alright? Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, so the very first move is bringing your hands up like this and say, fading away. Yeah, so up, push them out to the sides. From here, you want to say drop at least left down, and then right comes over to your left shoulder. And then you want to say boom. Yeah, so we're going to bring your left shoulder to the front and back. So you're hitting this, all right? So it's up here, fade away, bring it up to the shoulder, and you will go boom. Okay, so from here, boom, you want to bring your left up and go swing 1, 2 times, all right? Your right can either stay up here while you do this swing around. You can leave it down here, keep it by your hip, whatever you want, yeah? You can even add your own style to it, go a bit more crazy. Party girl, party. Okay, maybe not that. So, party girl, all right? So from the tip top, we go hands up, fade away. And then left shoulder, boom, bring your left arm up and go party girl. So let's just try that so that we don't forget it. So we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go all of that and boom and party girl. We're gonna try it a bit slower. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go all of that and boom and a party girl. Let's just try that again. So a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go all of that and boom and a party girl. Okay, so from party girl, what you want to do here is to just take your right down, the left goes swing, great, down to your right, bottom here, up, left, bottom. Alright, so from up here, I went right down, up, left, down. So, boom, boom. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go swing down, up, down. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing down, down. Now from here, you want to say again with the left shoulder, hitting here your right hand right outside your left shoulder. You want to hit it 3 times. Boom. All right. So from here, figure 8. Boom, boom, and then into the boom, boom, boom. Yeah, so let me just show it from the side when I do this boom. Basically, I'm just using my left shoulder here to hit it, hit it, hit it. Okay, so far we've done all of that and shoulder and then party girl, figure 8, boom, boom, and then boom, boom, boom. All right, so let's just try and practice that a few times. We're gonna start slow, all right? So 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go all of that. Now, boom, bring it up. Party girl, figure 8, boom, boom, hit 3 times. Boom. Try one more time. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go all of that. Now, boom, bring it up. Party girl, figure 8, boom, boom, 3 times. Boom, boom, boom. All right, moving on to the last few moves. So we did figure 8 and then boom, boom, boom. Now from here you want to say mop. Yeah, probably know this move. So you're basically just holding a fake mop here, imaginary mop, and then going from side to side. And you want to start from your right. And then you want to bring it down, up to your left, down. Let me see how many we're doing. 1 and 2. Yeah. So we're doing from right, 1 down, up, and then down. And now we're prepping for the next move. From here, you want to say up, prep for the no-no. You go cross, out, cross, out. Pretty simple, right? So, from figure 8, boom, boom, boom. From here, the mop, you want to go up to the right side, down, left, down. Now when you go up, you prep cross, and then you say no, no. Alright, just a tiny detail. When you do the mop, I see that Addison Rae is saying jump on the first one. You can do that if you want. Don't have to do it. Alright, so let's rewind a bit. Boom, boom, boom. From here, you want to do this mop thing. So bringing it to your right, down, up, down, cross, no, no. Alright, let's just try and practice that. So from the shoulder part, I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go prep right, down, up, no, no. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, down, left, down, cross, no, no. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, down, left, down, cross, no, no. And then the very last move is saying right after mop, no, no, is bringing your left up and going you, right, you. Yeah, I'm just gonna show it from the side. So right after mop, mop, no, no, I bring my left up and go up, out, right up, out. Yeah, so hey, hey. Yeah, you can even do this bounce thing if you want. So I'm bouncing, bouncing. All right, so let's go a bit back from here. You want to say mop, right, down, left, down, cross, no, no, now left, up and out, right, up and out. All right, guys, now we've gone through all the steps in this party girl dance. Now let me do a quick recap so that we don't forget the first part. All right, so from the tip to the top, we go hands up and then away. From here, you want to say left shoulder hit, boom, and then you want to bring your left up and go party swing. From here, it goes down into figure 8, left goes to your right, up, and then left side. Now from here, you want to do shoulder again, this time 3 times, 2, 3. And from here, we want to do the mop. We want to start to the right side, down, left, down, say cross, up, and then down, no, up, no. From here, you want to say left, up and out, right, up and out. All right, now let me explain the timing. So the timing is from the tip to the top and all that. Then there's a boom, boom. From here, it's party girl. From here, you want to swing down. She just won't have. And then you want to go boom, boom, boom. And from here, we want to bring it up and go down on wifey type of don't care. And then want you. All right, so let me just show you again a bit faster. So it goes all that, boom, and a party girl. She done boom, 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 and a wifey type don't care, want you. All right, guys, time to practice. All right, so we're gonna start slow. I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. We go all that and boom, and a party girl. Now she just won't have boom, 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 and a wifey type don't care, won't you. Okay, so let's try that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go all that. Now boom, and party girl. She just won't have boom, 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 and a wifey type don't care, won't you. All right, guys, let's try it one last time, a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go all that and boom, and a party girl. She just won't have boom, 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 and wifey tight, don't care, boom, shoot. Alright guys, now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast. So that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the party girl on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.